it's finally that special time of year where romance is blooming. Isn't it beautiful? You hear that? Hear that, harp? Now, we're getting real, man. We're getting right into the real love stuff. But you know what's really romantic? Like, really romantic. Like, really gets the juices going? A profitable affiliate product in the dating or relationship niche. You know it. I know, I'm just a good old softie, man. I know what you need, so pull up a chair, eat some overpriced chocolates, and stay tuned as I reveal the highest grossing dating and relationship products on ClickBank. And you know what's been there forever? The Forever Woman. The Forever Woman is a program that addresses the key issues women face when men pull away in a relationship. You know what? Don't pull away. Come back. It offers proven strategies, including a special forward text to reel them back in, and it's designed for women who want to go from frustration to fulfillment in their love lives. The lessons are taught by Matthew Coast, a commitment coach, who backs his findings with science and experience. He must be really committed. Technically, the Forever Woman is just one of a handful of programs available from the seller, and the funnel kicks off with a popular $7 tripwire product called Irresistible Text. As an affiliate, you'll like that Forever Woman has been optimized with more than $2 million in testing on cold traffic. That's commitment, man. They're in it for keeps. So check out all of the programs and resources from Matthew Coast on their tools page, and don't hesitate to email them to get whitelisted for 90% commissions, because you want that money just as much as you want their love. So let's talk about those numbers. We got an earnings per click at 59 cents, an average payout value of $56.99, and a hop conversion rate of 1.16%. That's really good. That's really good for a dating offer. That's really good for any digital offer. So I would say go and promote it. Just know that you're hitting the right seasonal time, and you know who you're targeting. But go, reach out to them, get paid. At number 4, we got Friends with Benefits, and it has a nickname called I Can't Say It On Here. Friends with Benefits is a dating offer for men and a step-by-step system that can teach men how to turn a girl into their friend buddy. And if you're at all familiar with dating niche, you know what that means, because it starts with an F and ends with buddy. Obviously, the target audience for this one is men who want to get the girl. So it can be for men at any age, but it tends to skew younger. The affiliate page is no frills, but once you've signed up, you'll have access to both the PG-13 and the adult versions of text and video-based pitches. I don't think we need to go further than that, but we will, because they also offer banners, emails, videos, and 75% commissions on the initial sale, as well as 75% commission on all upsells, downsells, and bumps. And they'll teach you how to bump. And they even offer 100% commission for some whitelisted affiliates. Yes, you heard that right. They will offer you more commission. So visit their tools page in the marketplace to find out more and get started. So if you want to become a friend buddy, earnings per click are $1.03, an average payout value of $86.95, and a hop conversion rate of 1.32%. It's pretty good. Obviously, you got to know your traffic. You got to hit it at the hot time. It's doing well on most traffic sources. I would say really focus it on email, native, and then before Valentine's Day, you could probably make it work on paid media. So go, get it, make some money. Now, if you're wondering, why does he look so uncomfortable? It's because I'm reading steamy things about dating offers, and it makes me uncomfortable. But you don't have to feel uncomfortable when you're learning more about affiliate marketing. If you're sitting out there being like, man, I wish I could learn more, or maybe there's something I'm missing, and I'd just be better if I knew this, I have something for you. Have you heard of our affiliated podcast and actually our new YouTube channel? All of our podcasts and affiliated content is over there, and it is a treasure trove of information, including our reaction to the recent honey scandal, about all the weird scammy things that happened in affiliate marketing related to honey and that weird thing. So if you are wanting to learn more and just want to hear us brag on what affiliate marketing and how things can happen, go here. And it is hosted by Thomas McMahon and Kyle Kostecka. They're amazing, way better than me, except at top offers. You know the vibes. And learn more about affiliated. It's awesome. At number 3, we got the Obsession Method from the same team behind the X Factor. The Obsession Method teaches men the art of seduction from a female perspective, and presenter Kate Spring. I'm an ally. It's another ClickBank dating offer that saw a huge update in 2024, and it's great fit for the male audience because, to be honest, we need to learn more about things from the female perspective. And the affiliate program offers a 75% commission on the initial front-end sale and on upsells with nearly a 60% take rate. Affiliates of the Obsession method, like the X Factor, get access to a wealth of in-depth information on the product funnel, including front-end products, the order bump, and 3 upsells. It has demographics, email swipes, a PDF report, PPC keywords, and banner pictures. It's all included. And so if your audience is male-dominated, this is an excellent offer for you to check out. And let's just look at those numbers. Earnings per click, 64 cents, an average payout value of $81.21, and a hot conversion rate of 1.32%. It's a very good dating offer. And it's probably because it came from the female perspective, because they do things better than us. So go, promote it, and make some money. At number 2, we got His Secret Obsession, and it got a huge update in 2024. The program shows women how to tap into their man's needs so that they can be irresistible. It's called Pizza. With plenty of opportunities for upsells and downsells, as well as recurring revenue through rebuilds, this offer has a lot of money-making potential. The advertised commissions of up to 90% on both the front and back. You just got to email them, and they'll boost you up to CPA if you're showing the juice. So go and promote it because their tools are amazing. They have graphics, email swipes, articles, buyer demographics, and there are plenty more. So get their contact information from the affiliate marketplace, email them, and get started. So their numbers: earnings per click, 39 cents, an average payout value, $54.55, and a hot conversion rate of 0.82%, so close to 1%. That's pretty good for a digital offer, especially something this niche. So if you got that product right now and at this time, it's an excellent time to be promoting it. So go, promote it. Diversify, y'all. And last but not least, we have the X Factor 2.0. It's back. 2.0 version. This popular dating offer focuses on a super specific facet of dating: getting your ex back. Wow. The program even takes it a step further and promises the ex in question will be begging to come back. The program is different from a lot of other offers on this list because it requires you to break up with somebody. And it's also an option for both men and women. The X Factor 2.0 has a significant number of additional sales opportunities in its newly revamped funnel, such as an order bump, 2 upsells, and 3 downsells. Affiliates love the ongoing rebuild revenue with high retention rates, and the X Factor 2.0 also provides email swipes for each target audience and gender-neutral options. So you'll have the tools to promote to whichever one you select or both. Plus, there's a Spanish version available called El Factor X 2.0, nicknamed El Factor X. No matter how you choose to promote it, their affiliate tools page has everything you need to get started. So check out their marketplace listing and go and start promoting it today. So what are its numbers? It has an earnings per click of 74 cents, an average payout value of $46.79, and a hot conversion rate of 1.74%. No matter what language you're speaking, those numbers are speaking your language. So go, promote it, and get in on that Valentine's Day cheddar. Like, it's not just for the big companies, it's for us too, and show that love. So that wraps up our list of the top 5 dating offers from 2024. It just feels like 2025 is going to be your year. I'm sure she's going to come back to you, I promise. And it's also one of our top 10 verticals on ClickBank. So even if you don't promote it during February, or if you're watching this clear in December of 2025, you can still promote these. These make money year round because guess what? People like to meet people whenever. People break up with people all the time, sometimes before Christmas. Just ask your best friend. So whether you go with X Factor, Obsession Method, or one of these other top dating offers, they're all products that get conversions month after month, week after week, day after day. So are you interested in more? Well, I bet you are, because we got a full list of top 10 dating offers linked in the description below. So go to the link below and find the latest and greatest trending offers on ClickBank. Just click it. Click the button. Why are you still watching me? There's so many high converting fish in the sea and you're just watching me. I'm taken, man. I already got an offer for me. They're great for me. I'm not ready to, I'm not seeing other offers. I just got this one, but you don't. Go below. Click. Reel in somebody. Find somebody. I'm sure they're just what you're looking for. So go out there. Happy scaling, y'all. Peace.